to Hillcountrybassmasters. I'm Jacob. It's Kyle and Brandon. Let's get started. Day 2 at the creek. Here with Kyle and Brandon.
On my fly rod today.
Yeah, Brandon's going to be on the fly. Me and Kyle using conventional. We're going to hopefully try out some soft plastics. Maybe I got a white topwater frog and try to drag it across some of that residue. What is that, Kyle? What we got here?
I'm just using kind of a light colored silver.
The white silver.
You could call it rattlesnake orange.
Soft plastic. I got the Tequila Sunrise zoom on, and with Brandon,
got a little
tied this
crawfish fly,
and all right, we're gonna get started. All right, guys, there's a bass right here.
I couldn't believe that bass just sat there in the water still like that. We were pretty psyched to get this shot. We just got our new underwater camera, so I'll be expecting some more underwater footage like this.
Alright, Brandon just got bass number 1. Not a bad fish right there. He got it on the fly. Let me see that. A little crawdad fly right there. Pretty good sized fish right there. I mean, could be better, but it's pretty nice, man. Check that out. The bass swimming.
It may seem like that fish from the last clip was the same one as the one that we got underwater, but it was a different fish. I just had to edit out all the stuff in between.
Alright, throw yours in, Kyle.
There's a little silver worm type thing. Hey, it's not hungry. I see it. Not bad, Brandon.
Spinnerbait. Bad fish. Pretty good, actually. He's got some sharp teeth on it. Not bad. Not bad at all. This trip is looking up. Alright, Kyle's getting. He's got a white soft plastic on. There's his lure. Ooh, here comes a big one. Ooh, that's a big one. That's pretty big. Kyle, leave it. Got him, set the hook. There he is. That was getting him. It's a good one. Look at that. Alright. Bring him up over the edge. Yeah, that's a pretty good one, man. Dude, you gotta set the hook though, dude.
What do you mean I did?
You had it in his mouth for too long, dude. He could have got off. Not a bad fish, Kyle. Pretty good, dude. Yeah, that's a nice one. First fish for Kyle. Further than that. Alright, now Brandon's on the fly. Here he comes. He wants it. Ooh, he wants that. He wants it. He's got it. There we go. Nice fish, Brandon. Alright, let's see that fish, man. Just caught up in the weeds a little bit. Oh, there's another one over there, dude. I see him swimming away.
Like 2 of them.
He's swimming off? Oh, that must have been him. Watch him get that. What the heck? He's not taking it.
That topwater frog wasn't working too well, so I moved down the creek a little ways and started using a white spinnerbait.
Hey, can you just look at this? It's too big, isn't it? There we go. Oh, I missed him. Damn, dude, my freaking rod is... Or my reel.
Yeah, blame the rod and reel.
It's skipping, I swear to God.
Uh-huh. Sure. Right here. See what he can get. There's a bass following it. Keep it right there. He's got it. There. There he is, there he is. These weeds are pretty bad right here. Brandon's got a fish on. He's in those weeds. Dude, that's not bad, dude. Pretty sweet.
Oh, that's a really good bass.
Oh yeah, that's a good one, man. Oh, that might be that one I caught last time.
Maybe.
Dude, hold it up, man.
Oh.
Hold it up, dude. Yeah, that's a beauty, man. It's pretty nice.
On the fly.
On the fly, too. Nice fish. Alright, let's let him go. Alright, there he goes.
I don't know if this guy is gonna like us fishing on his property, but his house is not far away. Kyle just caught another. Jacob just caught one.
He's alright.
Nice fish.
Did you hear that, dude? Oh, wow, it's skipping.
Oh, shit, dude.
Get down there and get him, man. You'll lose him. Up and show him to the camera.
Here, seriously, dude.
Hang on, pick him up, man. Hold him up. We didn't see him.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Help me get this out, dude.
All right. Hey, oh. Jacob's got one on the line.
That's what they do. They're probably smart. I'm like cut up my.
They're just hungry as crap.
I actually lost the fish in the weeds, unfortunately, on this one.
Yeah.
Holy shit, turn it over.
Snapping turtle.
Oh no.
That's weird. Yeah, that's a snapper. The dead snapper right there.
It's like bloated.
Look at that. Look at the size of that. Kyle just landed one on the old wiggly man.
Kyle, dude, you gotta hold it tight, man.
Dude, I'm trying. You gonna fucking try it?
Yeah, I'll try it. Go ahead, I'll try it and I'll get it off.
Somebody else,
Let me see it, Kyle. Hold it up. Okay. It's alright. That was a pretty good fish. Brandon's over here on the fly. Only one of us with a fly rod. It's pretty good.
Dude, check to see if you got food.
Yeah.
Did he?
I think so. Brandon, dude, I need to learn how to do that, man.
it probably looks bad.
No, it doesn't look that bad.
Right now,
Dude, is he in there?
Dude, I'm using a heavy lure right now because I know the bass like the meatier stuff. They don't go after the little flies.
Yeah, perfect cast. There, he's going after it. He's going after it. Yeah, Kyle, nice hook set, dude. There he is. Nice fish, dude. There we go, Kyle.